Hello, viewers. Welcome to the Dawn of English, a platform to comprehend English in the simplest possible way. I am Dr. Anukriti Sharma, professor in SAGE Group. In this presentation, we are going to discuss about simple, compound, and complex sentences. In my previous presentation, we have already discussed about what are the ingredients of a sentence. Now recapitulate. A sentence is a set of words that conveys the complete sense. It consists of a main clause and sometimes one or more subordinate clauses. In my previous presentation, we have focused on types of sentences based on sense, purpose, or action, and these sentences are assertive, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory. And in this presentation, we will be focusing on the types of sentences based on structure, number of predicates, etc. And they are simple, compound, and complex. Let us start our discussion with simple sentence. A simple sentence must have a single clause which is independent and it cannot take another clause. For example, I always wanted to become a lawyer. India won the match. In both the example, you can see there is only one subject and one predicate, and these sentences are complete in itself. Simple sentences can be of one-word sentences, two-word sentences, and three or more word sentences. So simple sentence of one word may be exclamations, imperative, vocatives, and non-exclamations. For example, ma'am, I have completed my work. Teacher, good. So here you can see good is the example of exclamations. Simple sentences of two words, drive slowly, well done, hurry up, rain falls. My friend is coming tonight. I know. Can you help me to complete my homework? I'll try. Now discuss simple sentences of three or more words. He left yesterday. He reads novels. He is healthy. They come here now and then. Let's start our discussion with compound sentence. A compound sentence must have more than one independent clause with no dependent clauses, and some specific conjunction, punctuation, or both are used to join together these clauses. So we can understand compound sentence in the simple language as a compound sentence is a combination of two simple sentences which are complete in itself, and they don't need any other clauses to complete its meaning. For example, I always wanted to become a writer and she wanted to become a doctor. Here you can notice in the given example there are two independent clauses or main clauses. I always wanted to become a writer. She wanted to become a doctor. Both the sentences are independent of each other, but they have connected with and, which makes them together a compound sentence. Let us see some more example where two independent clauses are joined with other conjunction, adverb, or even without a linking verb. So first one is compound sentence joined by conjunction. For example, hurry up or you will miss the bus. So here two simple sentences are connected with or. Compound sentences joined by adverb like so, still, yet, indeed, however, etc. For example, I was not feeling well, so I took a leave. Compound sentence without any linking word. It was dark, I must have a taxi. So these are the examples of compound sentences. Finally, let's understand a complex sentence. As the name suggests, it is little bit complex to understand. So let us understand it step by step. A complex sentence has more than one clause. One of them must be an independent clause. The other or others must be dependent clause, and there are some special connectors for the clauses to be connected. In short, so complex sentence can also be known as multi-clause sentences because it is formed when you join a main clause and a subordinate clause with a connective, and it has more than one clause, but one of them must be a simple sentence or main clause or a dependent clause, or others must be dependent or subordinate clauses. Connectors for the clauses of a simple of a complex sentences include after, although, as, because, if, since, unless, when, etc. For example, I know that you always wanted to be a writer. Let's have a quick recap of our discussion. A sentence is a set of words that is complete in itself. On the basis of its structure, sentence can be of three types: simple, compound, and complex. A simple sentence has one subject and one predicate. A compound sentence has two or more independent clauses connected with coordinate conjunction. A complex sentence is a combination of at least one independent and one or more dependent clauses. So, viewers, this ends my presentation. I hope the presentation would definitely help you to understand the basics of the sentences and its types. Thank you all for watching, and see you soon with a new presentation. Till then, take care, stay safe.